We'll guide you through how to get and install Google Gemini on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Google Gemini is a great AI tool, and so with it on our computer, we can easily go and access it and get to it and go and do what we need to with it. So to get started with this, you need to go and open up a web browser. Ideally, go and use Chrome so you can follow this step by step, as that's what we're using. So open up Google Chrome. Next, you want to come to Google and go to the top right, and you can press on the Google Apps button, and you want to go and find Gemini, like so. Once you're here, what we can then do is press chat with Gemini. We'll go and press use Gemini. Go and wait for this to go and load. Next, you want to go to the top right, and you can go and press on the three dots. Go down, find the option cast, save and share. Come over to the left here, and you can find the option install page as app. Then you can go and click on it, and you want to go and press install like so. It'll then go and open up, as you can see. But if I go and close this, you'll go and see it's now on our desktop. I can double click it to open it up, and you can go and right click it on your taskbar, and you can go and pin it. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more. I look forward to helping you again.